That's why we're changing them. Can't trust that. Yeah. She's been sitting for 10 years, you know. Just ride it, it's fine.
Holy shit! Is that a shit box?
We're gonna go from this yummy deliciousness with no pads. We're gonna redo it all.
Like a slot.
There you go.
And with
Too
fucking
much.
brackets on it. Won't
Oh.
go past the exhaust.
Looks way better though.
For whatever reason.
Don't get no parts at 1 o'clock.
Well, actually, those are coming at 2:30. All right, so we're at the point where we're waiting on hardware. Well, Hershey over there's got all the wheel cylinders put in. We cleaned up the pins and kind of coming along.
Here.
You got it.
There is a bottle with a lid loose on it.
Yep.
Put a little bit on that side of that
Okay.
lube on it before we stick it in.
All right.
Prosthetic brass.
Ready?
Yeah, go ahead. You're good.
A little click in there.
Each of them buff pieces.
You saying I hate these brakes?
Huh?
You saying I hate these brakes?
Yes.
Like manual?
You're gonna hate them.
Make sure you don't forget that. Get all these old rubbers out of here. I mean, when the rubber's bad.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I mean, look at that at the bottom. It's pretty coated and glued down there. Yeah. Honestly, though, it really hasn't been that bad yet. I feel like carburetor, the brakes running was harder than doing this.
Yeah.
Yep. May have to pry her off. Yeah. That's why we're changing them. Can't trust that. Yeah. She's been sitting for 10 years, you know. Just ride it, it's fine. Alright, now we're on the master cylinder part. So, yeah, I got the 2 bolts undone, but there's something hanging. What is that?
That's the rod that you push to make the brake pedal
Gotcha.
activate the master cylinder here.
So, we have to go inside.
It has a bolt
Gotcha.
going through the rod
Okay.
to the pedal. So we gotta take that bolt out and we can get the rod and the master cylinder out of our way
Yeah. Okay.
to replace the new one.
Oh, word.
So we need 3/4, probably 9/16.
Okay. Ugh. Beautiful. Beautiful master cylinder. My favorite.
All right, there's the bolt. Clean it up.
So basically, this here is set on the inside, on the back of this,
Yep.
and that's what, when you push it down, this pushes either in, it pushes it in, right?
Yep.
That's how you get your brakes, and then this pumps to all your brakes.
Yep.
But we need to replace that. Looked like they had maybe fixed it at one time.
So that's got 2 different sizes too.
Yeah. So
That's gonna make it easy for us.
I think you got it in the right spot too.
Yeah. We gotta get up there and get this on top.
Yeah, we have that clip.
Yep.
Probably have to get a new bowl.
Yeah, we can get a new boat. It deserves one.
Might as well
Put
go
some-
this far.
Put some anti-seize on it.
I'll clean this one up. And we'll get it put it back in here. Got it?
Go back out just a little bit. Back out. Back out. Turn that rod straight up and down.
Okay.
Go ahead and bump yours up.
Alright.
Things can be things, and you know they're all mixed together in this one.
Alright, what are we doing in here?
See that hole in that brake pedal?
Yeah. Yeah, you got it.
I need this light held on it.
Alright. You know, come to find out, it's good to have a little help. If you're trying to load or trying to line up, there you go. That way we can push our brake pedal down. So if you have somebody extra hand there, helps.
And a light.
And a light. There you go, you're in there, just shove it forward. There you go.
There you are.
Tight like a tiger. Hey. Whew. That's a quality interior parts, man. But you know, for the simplicity of it, that wasn't too bad.
Nah.
Compared to new cars.
Yeah. Now we can get these things started.
I know, sometimes they're bare. There you go. There you go. That's a beauty.
Rust. Ford Rust.
Hey man, look at the quality.
Quality. Quality of Ford product.
These are nice. Right. Look at that chrome, man. Aluminum. Stainless steel. Got it?
Yeah. Good.
Never seen that. How rich do you have to be to put Alabama on your truck? Talk about it. The snake pops out. I don't know what to tell you. Some soapy soap.
Oh yeah. Make her slide off her a little easier. You want the white out?
Yeah, I want the Alabama.
Okay.
I want white out. White wall out, bud. I want that Alabama out there. And that way, I've never seen that before in my life.
Bright white. Bright
And
white.
they even had those tucked on the inside. They were embarrassed.
Put the stuff on there.
I will. I don't care.
Will them parts be in by now?
230.
Oh, 2:30?
What time is it?
Relax.
Uh-oh. Is that good?
Oh, that's perfect. Where'd you do that valve?
Underneath that Sharpie? Okay, yeah, let's put a cap on it. Make it fancy. Got chrome? Chrome cap?
I got this.
Yeah.
You don't want.
Do you have Alabama A's? Like the Alabama A caps? We're finally got some freaking hardware.
Got some hardware, boys.
It's like the lottery.
The brand new stuff.
Look, we needed red ones to go with our Crimson Tide tires. We gotta figure out which holes it was.
Yeah. Hold that up there for me. Yeah. Oh, boy.
Well, they try to sell us for 2-in-1 tools.
Yeah. Well, I'm trying to push her over.
Scary part.
Yeah. I've had them pop
Oh
up.
yeah, the bing.
Fly. Brake blood.
So we have to bleed it. We're gonna bleed it right here, right?
Yeah.
When we get inside and I guess pump the brakes.
Yeah. We're gonna make a little bit of mess, but we take some brake cleaning.
Okay.
Need some wrenches for this.
What size is that?
9/16, probably half.
First fluid in her. First fluid change since 1968.
I'm gonna put my. You're gonna push down.
Okay.
I'm gonna put my thumb fingers over it,
Okay.
and I'm gonna take it let off,
Okay.
and then I'm gonna take my fingers. It's just gonna be a method. Let off. Okay, down. Up. Down. Up. All right, hold it down. I want to check the fluid. Hit the pedal.